Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, in the past 24 hours, fake has started increasing, and now in the past 7 days, we have about $6.2 million has been added to fake token. That is amazing. Fake market cap have keep increasing gradually, and it's a good one to see fake increasing. Very soon, Fake will be hitting about $30 million market cap. Fake market cap actually dropped down to $22 million, and right now, Fake is trading at $28.326 million. Wow. The truth is, a lot of people have actually started getting more interest on fake tokens since fake token announced their roadmap, and their roadmap actually have a better project for fake token. People believe, yes, if they will start working towards the project they have and start working towards what they promise on the roadmap, fake token next year 2023 might become one of the biggest pumping coins in 2023. Now, fake have gotten some support from top crypto exchanges like Get.io, BigX, XT.com, Hotbit. Very soon we might be seeing fake on Kucoin, we might be seeing fake on Binance, we might be seeing fake on Coinbase. They have that project, they have that foundation to make it work. But I think, and one important thing, is fake still have about 9 zeros at the time of recording this. That simply means when you compare fake to Shiba Inu that have about 16 zeros, you can see fake is more of easier to hit, to delete some zeros. Shiba Inu just have only 3 exchanges that listed Shiba Inu, and fake have almost 7 exchanges have listed fake token, and they promise us that by next year 2023, fake will get more exchanges that will be listing fake token very soon, and I believe fake token is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of 2023. Wow, getting $6.2 million being added on this with the past few days is amazing for a coin like fake token. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.